Hey, I'm the Graphene EA, Australia's most loved car seat. I just got better. What makes me so special? I can go from rearward facing mode for 0 to 2 to 3 years, to forward facing mode for up to 4 years. My new hidden torso side impact cushion technology provides added safety for your little ones. My narrow and compact design makes me the #1 choice for small cars and growing families. I now come with easy adjust headrest, meaning you can adjust the headrest without uninstalling me. My release buckle helps to prevent your child from sitting on the buckle. And my Isoflex connectors ensure easy and correct fit every time. I can go from upright to recline position in forward-facing mode. My eco-friendly Thermo E fabric keeps your baby cool, dry and comfortable. Want to learn more about me? Head to britax.com.au for more information. Britax, safe and sound, protecting what matters most.